Every individual does something to earn their living. They often appear differently in this career world than they do in their social world. This leads to framing one's career profile. People are often called by their nicknames in the social networking world, but they may not be known with the same name when it comes to their work arena. And this information needs to be gathered. LinkedIn plays a vital role in managing one's professional identity. When surfing for a profile in LinkedIn, it may reveal the official email ID for contacting the individual and professional details such as skill sets, recently acquired skills, organization associations, domain names, experience, professional network connections. Other business networking sites also aim to provide the same service, such as TalkBizNow, Viadeo, BranchOut, and Zing. BranchOut is a Facebook application that spits out both social and professional information, which includes work history and corporate relationships of the target on a dashboard. Consolidating the information gathered, the individual profile of the target is done,